If you are a homeowner in the UK and interested in being mortgage free faster and saving thousands along the way, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain why mortgage overpayments are important, how it saves you money in the long run, and how you can automate your monthly mortgage overpayments using the Sprive app. More on this later in this video. Me and my wife bought our first home in the UK back in 2019. It was a new home, so we used the government help to buy equity loan, paid 5% deposit, and the rest was covered by bank mortgage. After a few months, when the initial excitement of buying a new house is over, then I realized that though I am the named owner of this house, but in reality, the bank actually owns this house and I am paying a rent every month to the bank, which is known as monthly mortgage payments. Also, this mortgage constitute a significant part of my total monthly expenses. So I needed to figure out a way to reduce this monthly payments and get rid of it faster if possible. Before you consider overpayments to your mortgage and try to pay it off faster, you should consider three important factors. Number one is make sure that you don't have any other outstanding costly loans like credit card loans or personal loans. It's always advisable to pay off the costly debts first before paying off your mortgage because the mortgage is essentially a low interest bank loan. The second important question to consider is, will investing my money in the stock market be a better option than paying off the mortgage early? The idea is that over long term, your investment will grow faster than what you will save if you pay off your mortgage early. There are lots of technical analysis and calculations involved to find out the answer to these questions. I am not going to go into the details in this video. You will find some excellent resources on the YouTube exploring this topic. Personally, I do both. That is, if I have £100 in saving, I will put some of it towards overpayment of my mortgage and some of it will be invested in the equity markets. This is not a financial advice and please use your due diligence or seek professional financial help from the expert if you want to decide whether overpayment is the right thing for you. The third point to consider is that if you already have a mortgage, then please check with your mortgage provider about their terms and conditions regarding overpayment. For example, I have my mortgage with Halifax and I am allowed to overpay up to 10% of the total outstanding balance every year without any penalties. So please be clear about the rules with your own provider before you consider overpayments of your mortgage. So you have considered all these factors and you have decided that overpayment to your mortgage is the best thing to do. So now let's try to understand why overpayments are important and how it's going to save you money in the long run. If you look at this chart, you can see that during the initial years of your mortgage payment, majority of your payment are used to pay off the interest rather than paying the actual principal amount. If you overpay another £100, then it will go towards the principal amount entirely and reduce your overall debt. So at least in the initial years, it's prudent to overpay as much as possible to reduce your overall debt faster. You can see from this example that for a 200,000 mortgage over 25 years on a 2% interest, if we pay £100 per month, then we can save a lot of money in the interest payment alone and also pay off the mortgage earlier. Also, you have seen in the recent months that Bank of England is raising the interest rate. Eventually, our mortgage rates are also going to rise over the next few months or years. This means that our interest payments will go up. So overpaying is going to save us a lot more money. Now we understand that overpayments are going to save us money in the long run. So the next question that comes is, how can we make overpayments? Depending on your mortgage provider, it's really easy to set up monthly direct debit for overpayments. But the difficulty with this approach is that you have to do all your monthly expense calculations every month manually and decide how much you can save at the end of each month. And then remember to manually pay the extra amount to your mortgage provider. Trust me, it's not easy, and I never find the time or the enthusiasm to do this on a regular basis. This is why an app like Sprive is extremely helpful. It is a free mobile app which you can download in your phone. The registration process is quick and easy. It will ask your permission to access your current account and your mortgage provider accounts. This technology is called open banking and is currently used by many financial technology platforms and apps like even Emma Finance, which I discuss in one of my monthly expense videos. Don't worry, they won't be able to transfer or steal money away from your bank account. On the Sprive platform, all major UK banks are available, so you can easily link your accounts to the Sprive account. The Sprive app will use AI algorithm to monitor your spending and guide you towards making overpayments for your mortgage. You can either decide to overpay the amount for your mortgage, or if you're not happy, then you can easily return this money back to your bank account and not make the suggested overpayments. So you are in total control of your money. Sprive does not charge you any money for any of these services, and they hope to generate revenues by acting as online mortgage broker and sell you better mortgage deals, thus earning money in the process. I've recently started using Sprive to make my overpayments, and it's quite an easy and convenient process. It saves me the hassle of tracking my monthly expenses and remembering to transfer the money from my bank account to my mortgage account every month. Also, I can track the outstanding mortgage amount easily through this app. Most importantly, it's easy to use and it's free. If you want to try this app, then please download the app on your mobile phone and sign up using my special referral code. You will find the code in the description box below. As a thank you, you will receive £5 in your Sprive account for using my referral code. I hope you find this video useful, and this is going to help you become mortgage free faster. Please hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.